In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Google content won't load. The first thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, head over to your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From this list of applications, go ahead and find Google and select that. Now tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache, then head back. Next thing you want to do is tap on the force stop option, then tap on OK. This should force kill all the background processes. Now reopen the app and check if the issue is fixed. If it is not, then you again want to head over to settings. Now tap on storage again. This time you want to select clear data. Now tap on the delete option. This resets your local app preferences. Next thing you want to do is uninstall Android System WebView updates. For that, you want to head back over to your settings, then tap on apps. Now you want to look for Android System WebView. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on the three dots, then select Uninstall Updates. Sometimes the system rendering engine bugs out. After doing this, you can simply open Google and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.